for your 20 years.
What's up, Urban Mafia? How y'all doing? It's your girl Shay Shakur. So in this video, y'all, I'll be showing y'all how I colored this unit that I purchased from AliExpress. Now, if y'all want the details regarding to this wig, please check the description box below, because y'all already know I will always plug y'all in. But meanwhile, let me tell y'all what I'll be doing in this video. So as you can tell, I'll be coloring this unit with the L'Oreal High Colors in magenta. I really didn't want to go in and bleach this unit because my bleaching skills isn't up to par just as yet. So I was doing research and I learned about this dye, and I'm like, why not? So I ended up using 4 boxes. 4 boxes wasn't enough in my opinion, but I made it work. So this whole dyeing process was just messy, and I just wasn't ready. Like, I didn't have gloves or anything. I was just wasting dye all over the place. Y'all, I didn't realize how much I hated coloring hair until now. Like, thank God for the watercolor method. So this is the next day, and this is me showing you guys how the wig looks. I let the dye sit on the hair for at least 1 to 2 hours. I believe 2 hours. And now I did purchase this unit pre-plucked, but I will be going in and I'll be plucking this wig some more. Like, the unit, it was nice and all, but it was just very dense, like in the mid session, and it was just I just had to pluck it. And when it comes to plucking, y'all, I really didn't have a method. I just kept on plucking until it looked right to me, basically. So now, I learned this hack from this YouTuber. Like I said, y'all, I did want to bleach this wig at all, so I just went ahead and put some of my face powder on the lace. And yes, I stained my lace, but it's okay because my wig still looks good. So instead of bleaching the knots, I just went ahead and put some face powder on my lace, and then I'll be going in with my Got To Be glue spray, you know, just to set it, I guess. And then on top of that, I just put more powder on top of it. If y'all have like any powder on like your hair, of course you could just go in with a wet rag and just wipe it off. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this helped my wig a lot. So I'm just going in with some heat protectant, flat iron this hair. This hair is super soft, had some body, like, you know what I'm saying, it wasn't stiff, baby. My hair was moving in the wind. Now, y'all, so y'all pretty much reaching towards the end of the video. Y'all will be seeing clips of me wearing this wig, and yeah, and stay tuned for the end of the video, and y'all will be seeing who's the winner of this Mayvenn hair giveaway.
Alongside the one that can't come and steal the show. This a robbery, the whole of them we do.